Hi everyone, I am Fawad and in this video I'm going to tell you about the distributive property of real numbers, and after that I'll tell you how can we simplify the expressions by combining the like terms. So let's start. Guys, in the question number 1 and 2, I will tell you how can we use the distributive property. So question number 1, minus 8x minus 10 times, whenever there is no operation mentioned, it is understood it is multiplication. So minus 1.5. So guys, these two parentheses are multiplying with each other. So how can I apply the distributive property? You can see here, you can start from the smaller term towards the bigger term if you are doing the distribution in case of multiplication. So guys, as these two parentheses are multiplying, so how you will multiply them? You will distribute this minus 1.5, I mean you will multiply it with this term and you will multiply it with this term, and this is the way how the distributive property will take place. The process will take place. Okay. Now guys, minus 1.5 I'm going to multiply with minus 8x. Now how I will multiply these two numbers? As I told you in the previous videos, that whenever you're going to multiply two numbers, first of all you have to multiply their signs. So this is minus and this is minus. So when you multiply minus with the minus, the answer will come plus. Now 1.5 and times 8, I will use calculator, and 1.5 times 8, the answer will come 12. So I will write here 12. And this variable, because there is no variable here, so I will just write the variable as it is. So in this way guys, the multiplication of this and this, these two numbers are done. Now let's go with the next one. Minus 1.5 with minus 10. So first multiply the signs. Minus times minus becomes plus. 1.5 times 10, it becomes 15, and because there is no variable, so this will be our answer. My dear students, actually we cannot add these two terms because these two terms are not the like terms. Like terms mean that this is the x term because it has an x variable, and this is the number term because it doesn't have any variable or x variable. So only x can add in x, number term in add in number term. So whenever in the expression you are going to simplify that expression, you have to see which terms are alike. Like x term add only in x term, y terms add in y terms, or any variable add in the same variable term, and number terms add with the number terms. Let's go with the part number 2. Minus is multiplying with this parenthesis. How can you simplify that? Guys, this minus mean 1, minus 1. When there is no number, it is understood it is 1. So minus 1 is going to distribute among these three terms. So minus 1 is multiplied with this, minus 1 will multiply with this, and minus 1 will multiply with this. So let's start multiplication. Minus times minus m. So what is the number here which is called coefficient of m? It is 1. So minus times minus becomes plus. Always sign multiply with the sign. Number multiply with the number. 1 times 1 is 1. And m, because there is no variable with the outside number, so you will write m as it is. I hope you understand this multiplication. Now repeat the process with n. What is the coefficient of n? The number which is beside n is 1. So signs multiply first. So minus times plus gives you minus. 1 times 1 gives you 1, and because there is no variable, so n will just come as it is. Now minus multiply with plus 1. So how will multiply? Sign multiply first. So minus times plus becomes minus. 1 times 1 becomes 1. So guys, if I just write it again, m minus n minus 1 is our simplified answer. I hope you understand how we apply the distributive property. Let's go with the question number 3 and 4, and in these expressions we are going to simplify them. We are going to simplify them by combining the like terms. My dear students, always remember, simplification means that whatever the operation is mentioned in that expression, we have to do that operation if possible. Means if plus they are going to add, you have to add if possible. Minus, do minus. Multiplication, do multiplication. This is called simplification. So we will try to do as much simplification we can, as much simplification which is possible. So let's begin. Guys, as you know that there are 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the h term, this is the h square term, this is the h term, and the 3 term. As I told you, only like terms are addable. So first of all, we gather the like term. 3h square, because its power is the highest one, so I will write it first. Then I will write the 1 power variables, minus 7h, minus 4h, minus 3. Guys, as you can see in this step, I gathered the like terms which are possible for me. So minus 7, minus 4 are gathered, and they are just coming as number term and the highest power term. So guys, minus 3h square will come as it is, because in our given expression, in our given terms, there is no square term. So h square term is the simplified one, it will come as it is. Minus 7, minus 4. Guys, as I told you, if the signs are the same, we will add. And what sign will come with the answer? The sign which are present with the numbers. So 7 plus 4 is 11. H will as it is, and minus, because both are minus, having minus sign, so the answer will be with the minus sign. Nothing happened with the variable. During addition or subtraction, variable are just copied as it is. Only the coefficients will add or subtract with each other. Guys, minus 3 I just copy here. So guys, this is the simplified answer, because all these 3 terms are different, they are not like, so I cannot do more simplification. Let's go to the next question. Guys, the next question, I have 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first term, x square y, x square y square, x square y, x cube y square, x y square. So guys, we have to gather the like terms, and then we will simplify. So here, first I will write 12x square y. Now guys, check in all the remaining 4 terms, is there any term containing x square y? X square y square, no. X square y, yes, this one. And x square y, there is no other. So I will write plus 11x square y with it. Guys, always remember, whenever you are going to change the places, in addition or subtraction, it doesn't change your whole answer. So there is no problem if you just gathering the like terms together. Okay, now guys, minus 8x square y square. Now check in your expression, you have any x square y square? No, you don't have. So you just write it as 11x square y square, you already copied. X cube y square, there's no x cube y square, so just copy it, x cube y square, and minus 9x y square as it is, because there's no x y square term. So guys, we gathered the like terms. Now we do the simplification. These 2 terms are the same, so we have to combine them and make 1 term. So both have the same signs, so of course we add them. 12 plus 11, it will come 22 and 23. 23x square y square minus 8x square y square as it is, minus 4x cube y square minus 9x y square. So guys, this is our simplified answer. As these terms have y square, so we will not call them like terms unless their each and every variable and their powers are the same, their exponents are the same. So x square y square is different than x cube y square and x y square, and even x square y square. So they all are different because in their variable exponents are different. I hope you understand. If you have any question, any confusion, you can mention in the comment box. I will try to resolve that. Like this video, subscribe my channel, and see you soon with a new video. Have a good day. Bye bye.